Looking to express your individuality with a chic new haircut? Discover styles that will redefine your short hair journey. The Pixie Cut is a playful mix of short lengths that add volume and accentuate fine or wavy hair. The bowl cut revives the retro charm with its bold, rounded shape, perfect for making a style statement. The classic bob offers versatile styling that brings out the best in every face shape. The edgy undercut presents a rebellious flair with its dynamic lengths and bold character. Embrace minimalism with a buzz cut that frames your face and draws all the attention. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.